sanding, honing, machining. M7's die grinder does it all. This air tool is compact. Say goodbye to grip fatigue and hello to accessing tight corners. But don't let the small size fool you. This tool has plenty of speed, and its 1/4 COLLET handles grinding stones that work on metal, plastic, and wood. This grinding tool can be a star in your auto repair business or garage. We're proud to be the exclusive North American dealer of M7 Air Tools. JB Tools offers the best tools at the best prices with fast shipping. Shop with us and save.